This is the program that we saw in the PowerPoints, and it is the program that outputs high. And to the right here is PEP8, and I'll make this larger in a minute so that you can see more of it. But right now I wanted you to note how I had entered it into PEP8. So the machine language in hex, the instructions 510007, right here. Every byte is separated by a space, must be separated by one space, no more nor less, one space between each byte. 510007, 510008, that's this next line, 00, that's the stop, 4869, and then a space, and then lowercase ZZ. This signals the end of the program. It goes into the place called object code, and we'll look at that later. I just want to run it for you, and so that you can see the output. Output is going to come down here. So I'm going to say build, run object, and there is my output, the word high. So here is PEP8. If we go up on our top menu here to view, and we say view code /CPU/memory, then here is our code section, here is our CPU, and over here is memory. And you will see that the instructions all the way up to but not including the ZZ are here in memory. So these are 510007, 510008, 00, 4869. Anything that is a printable ASCII character, you will see printed here on the right. So there is the H, and there is the lowercase I from the 69. The rest are not printable characters. So this is our program loaded into memory. And you can see now why we say that 48, the address of 48 was 0007. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It is 07. And then the 69 is at 08. Another thing that I can do is step through a program so that you can see how the registers alter, or how the status bits or the program counter gets altered. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go up to build, start debugging object. And it is the object code that we are working with right now, because that is in machine language. It's actually in hex, but it will get translated into machine code. Over here you see our ability to single step, so we're going to single step through our code. The program counter, and I'm sorry that this is so small, but when you get the opportunity to run this on your own machine, you can look at it better. I cannot make this any larger, I'm sorry. Our program counter is at 0. And it's showing us here the contents that are at the memory location indicated by our program counter. If I do a single step, Then the next instruction has just gone into our program counter, and if you look at our program counter, it says 0x, and 0x means that this is in hex 0003. So 3 in hex is the value of our program counter, which says that's where the next instruction is. Meantime, it has brought an instruction. It has brought 510007, and it has put it into the instruction specifier and operand specifier. Operand specifier again 0x 0007, meaning it's 0007 in hex. And our output down here is an H, because that operation, that instruction said output the whatever you find at 0007, and what it found was 48. You can see it here, the operand, it says it found a 48 hex. The decimal equivalent is 72, but we're not concerned about that. It found in hex 48, and that's what it output. And then another single step puts in the program counter, it puts 6. So the next instruction after this to be executed will be whatever's at 6. But right now it's executing whatever it found at 3, which was 510008, which you can see in the instruction specifier here. That's our 51, and the operand specifier is 0x, which is indicating that it is in hex 0008. And what did it find there? It found, if you look at the operand here, it found in hex 0x 69, and 69 in hex is the character lowercase I, which it output. And then if I do another single step, it just finished because it hit the stop. I can output something different, but just 2 characters, because if I go to more characters, then all my addressing is going to change. So I can just alter these 2 characters and output it. So let's imagine I wanted to output up, UP, lowercase. I would have to look up the ASCII. I'm doing that right now. Look up the ASCII for lowercase u, and it is 75. So if I replace this 48 with 75, and then P is 70, so replace that 69 with 70, all else remaining the same, build, run object, and there we go, up. So you can have fun trying to output 2 characters. We're going to output more than 2 in our homework.